All right, guys, we're all set up, ready to go. Perfect timing. Hopefully the top water bite will be on. Got the kayak set up. Got the cooler with us today. We're doing something a little bit different, something I haven't done on this channel yet, so stay tuned. Also, watch it till the end, because I'm going to be announcing my first giveaway. Get in the water. Got one. Yes. First bite of the day. Come here. That's a little guy. But it is a fish. Hello, little guy. Come here. Come here. Yes. Thank you. First fish of the day on the whopper plopper. There we go. Just a little guy, but a bite is a bite, and I'm happy because you mean I don't get skunked today. So thank you, buddy, for biting. And he's pretty. He's just a little guy, but look at the colors. Beautiful eyes. Healthy fish. Some healthy fish out here. I like to see that. All right, let's get you back home. Thank you for biting. All right. Always so nice to get the first bite, first fish out of the way, so that we can get some more. Oh yes. I don't mind if he's small. I just want to catch the fish. Maybe you can tell his buddies that I'm nice. I let him go. Yeah, he told his buddies. Oh no, he's off. Oh, he came back for it. He came back for it. I thought he was off, and then he came back. Where you at? It's another little guy, barely hooked. A little bit bigger than the other. I side hooked him, I think. Get in the boat. Get in the boat. Come here. All right. Back-to-back casts, 2 of them. Come here. Back-to-back casts. You've been caught before. I can see. I barely hooked him. Oh man. I'm sorry, little dude. Trying to get this hook out of your belly. There you go. Number 2. Definitely a different fish. I was worried it was going to be the same guy, but no, he's a little different. Not bad. He is about, I'm just using my scale, about a foot long. Not bad, little guy. Looking for guys just a little bit bigger than you though, buddy. I think. So, thank you for biting. Two fish on 2 casts. That's Make it 3 fish on 3 casts. That's so awesome, that last guy. He missed it. But he was sharp because he came right back at it and hit it underwater the second time. At least he swiped at it. I got a nest here of some type of bird. You obviously can't see that close. Maybe I get a little closer. I don't know, they look like a predatory bird. Hopefully they're not territorial. A little cruise on by. Man, there's like 20 of them. There it is. It's like a nest. Anybody know what kind of birds these are? It's pretty cool to find stuff like this out on your travels. I guess I'm scaring them off, kinda. Beautiful birds though. I mean, any little piece of nature is gorgeous in my mind. I cleared out the entire nest except for one. Yes! Fish on. Fish on. There we go. Oh, he's running at me. He's running at me. Ah, it's just a little guy. Another little guy. But hey, I'll take it. I will take it. It's been a pretty slow bite day, so any fish. He felt big. Oh, man. At first he felt big. I guess because he was running with it. There we go. This little guy. Thank you for biting. Ah, yes, fish on. Oh, he's gonna get caught on that rock. Okay, skipped him over the rock. Oh, he's barely hooked. Get him in here. He was double hooked. And then he got hooked in the belly. Here, get you. Stay still. A little bit better than the last one, but still just another little guy. But thank you for biting. You didn't want to be caught, but it's okay. I'm gonna let you go. We're gonna let you go. See, Vegas is a nice guy. Tell the people. Subscribe. Thanks for biting. Man, he was a feisty one. So I like what I did there. Instead of having a bunch of straight retrieve, I think this is a good method for me right now. All right, let me explain what I just did there while I get out of these woods. So I cast it in there. I did this the last 2 times. Normally when I cast it in there, I kind of pop it a couple times and then start reeling it in. The last 2 times I've gotten bites, I've tossed it in there and I've popped it and I've waited and I've popped and I waited and I popped and I waited and I gave it a lot more time right where I first dropped it off. So I'll show you right here. See if you can see. Do a small little cast. So I'll toss it out there. I popped it. Pop, pop, pop. Ah, wait. Lure is stuck. Always make sure the lure's not stuck. Alright. So cast it out there. Pop. Thanks for... I got so startled because I just got a bite that I prematurely yanked it. The fish startled me. What's going on with this thing? Sitting here trying to explain. I get another guy go over top of it. Okay, let's try this one more time. Give it a little cast. All right. And pop, 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 pop. Give it a little break. Pop, 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 pop. So kind of just giving it more time out there, right where it first landed. It seems to has been working the last 2 times. Because I guess give it some more, in my opinion, I'm giving it a little bit more time to attract the fish than just getting it out of the spot where they might be looking at it and I don't just pull it away. They're treating it a little bit more like a popper than just like a retrieve. That's what's been working today. Well, once again, you never know what's going to work on any given day. So, sorry, it's just been a bunch of little guys, but a bunch of little guys are better than no fish at all. Yeah, got him. This is the best one today. It's definitely bigger. I think so. Maybe not. Oh yeah, he's bigger. Oh, get up from under the bow. Get in the net. He's good. Got him. Whew. Had to use the net this time. Yes. All right. Well, first time using the net. And I was actually successful in using the net. So that's good. And this is definitely the biggest fish of the day. He blew up on it. Ooh, look at that. He choked it. He's got good aim. I want to show you the weight. Look at him. Right in the top of the mouth. He came right for it. Ah, you just bit me. This guy just bit me. Look at him. That is a decent bass. Definitely by far the best bass we've seen on here. About 13 inches. You know, I have a scale. I just bought a scale. And I have not weighed a fish yet. Plus I need to learn weights. So normally, of course, probably not going to weigh a fish this size on a normal basis. But just because I have a scale and I want to use it. There we go. He is 1.6 pounds. Not a bad bass. Right there. But thank you for biting. Right at the boat. Right at the boat. Literally right at the boat. Another good one. No! No! He came off. He was better than the one I just caught. I'm pretty sure. Oh. Man. He came up out it.